Quantifiers Test. A quantifier is a word or phrase used to talk about quantities, amounts, or degree. Are you ready to check if you can correctly use quantifiers? Let's go. Not many of the pictures were on the wall. We stayed a few days in Venice. Which answer is correct? Would you like some cake? Both sentences are correct. Can we replace very much for too much without changing the meaning? No. Is this sentence correct? Yes. Did a lot of your friends come to visit? Yes, quite a lot. What is the difference between a little and little? Positive and negative meaning. Are there plenty of different fruits in your diet? Let me give you some homework. Would you like to stay here a bit longer? Which sentence is correct? It's a bit more entertaining than the last show. These books are both popular with students. Do these sentences mean the same thing? Yes. She works from home most days. What solution did she propose? None. Did you get it right? Congratulations! Stay with us and enjoy your English learning.